Step 3. Theory test. The first step after registration is the theory classes, followed by theory test. Theory lessons can be attended by visiting the centers or logging into your GDMC account. Online learning is recommended as it's much more manageable. There are 8 lessons, and at the end of each lesson, there is a short 10 questions quiz. If you don't score 8 on the end of lesson test, you will have to repeat that entire lesson. Once you finish all 8 online theory lessons, you will get to practice the mock test with 350 questions. You must practice the mock test at least twice to ensure you're confident enough to attempt your theory test. Step 4. Booking your theory test. It's time to book your theory test. Call the Galadari call center and check for available slots. The test only happens in the 2 centers, so visit the test center half an hour before the test. The theory test is an online half-hour test, and you sit in a quiet cubicle to attempt it on a desktop. The test will have 50 questions, and the minimum passing score is 35. The result is handed over soon after submitting the test. Step 5. Step 4. Driving evaluation test. Once you complete your theory test and you hold an old license, ask someone to direct you to the driving evaluation desk and request to give your initial driving evaluation test. This test is a 5-minute driving check test where they test if you know the basics of driving and the different parts of the car. The evaluator will sit with you and ask you to drive left or right for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you adjust your seat, rear view mirror, and side view mirrors before starting. This test has no pass or fail, but you should be able to steer the car somehow for 3-4 minutes. It is a paid test. If you don't get the evaluation the same day, you'll have to visit the center once again for a 5 minutes evaluation before proceeding to your practical classes. Once you have your evaluation done, you'll receive another message about the level of evaluation, which is level 2, meaning you have the go-ahead for the driving lessons. Step 6. Visit the same center or any other GDMC center's booking counter and book your driving classes. 1 class equals 1/2 an hour, and classes are available from Monday, Saturday 8 a.m. 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. 10:30 p.m. Sunday and night classes are expensive comparatively. For booking, I suggest you visit the nearest GDMC center or call on the center's landline number. Don't call 600,595,956, it's expensive. You can give your area's preference and they can allocate the nearest location available for classes. Once your assigned classes are finished and you feel confident to appear for your initial road assessment test, go ahead and book it over a call. Step 7. Initial road assessment test. Stay calm and recall what you learnt so far. The examiner will evaluate taking control of the vehicle, adjusting the seat and mirrors, performing head checks, angle parking and removing skills, lane changing and speed maintaining skills, using indicators while turning, giving way to cars or pedestrians, stopping at the stop line, ability to look for hazards, and your confidence. It is normal to fail on the first attempt as you might be nervous, unsure, apprehensive, or scared. If you fail, the examiner will assign you a fixed number of classes that you need to book before repeating the assessment test. Of course, these are all paid. Practice hard, focus and attempt the test again. You will surely be through. Step 8. GDMC Parking Assessment Test. Once you are through with your initial assessment, book your parking practice classes. Remember, these practice classes takes place only in the 2 main center, Alabama Quaz and Al-Quasiz, every day between 8:03 p.m. Once your assigned practice classes are done, book your parking assessment test. This Smart Yard test is free and there is no fee charged no matter how many times you fail. However, you will be charged for the additional practice classes. Smart Yard test happens only in the evening from 5:30 p.m. in the same yard where you practiced the parking. You are tested on 5 parking skills: angle, garage, parallel, and hill test within a span of 30 minutes.